Hi, Doug Stone, Remax Executive Realty Westborough, talking to Rich, Day One Foundation. And the question we have this week is that last week I was showing a house, Rich, and it had a concrete block foundation. And down in the basement, I saw a horizontal crack and then another series of cracks that almost looked like a stairway. And I was wondering, is that a serious thing, and how would you fix that?
Yeah, we see those on the block foundations. What it means is that there's been pressure against that foundation. And it's usually because the water, the rain, gutters were clogged or whatever, water came down, got into the soil, it froze, it pushed against the foundation, and you get those kind of cracks. Your step cracks are usually near corners. Again, it's because something moved. Why do you see those in corners? Is because the downspouts are in the corners. So yes, they can be repaired. Oftentimes a horizontal crack has a little belly in it. So if you can put your hand here and you'll feel the belly. So we want to make sure that it doesn't move anymore. So we have these structural carbon fiber blankets that is twice as strong as steel that we anchor to the foundation, and it won't move. And that's the way you repair it. And same thing with the step cracks. We put the structural carbon fiber blankets against it. We see that a lot, especially around lakes like in Webster, Westborough, Marlborough. All these towns have lakes, and a lot of lakefront properties were originally built as second homes. A little less expensive would be to do the block foundations than we see.
Okay, so would you say that's as good as a poured concrete foundation, or do you have any opinion on that? Or
I like a poured foundation better. But if you look at a block foundation, in commercial, a lot of times they fill them in with concrete. So it's pretty much as good. But in residential, they usually don't fill them in. So if I had a choice, I'd go with poured concrete.
okay, very good, thanks.
Thank you.